Why is my HVAC system running after reaching the set temperature? Because your thermostat may be telling it to keep running, the fan may be set to circulate, or the system may need a repair. A thermostat does not always mean the whole system should stop the second the room hits the number you picked. Sometimes the fan keeps moving air for a little while so the temperature feels more even in the house. That can happen because the fan setting is on circulate instead of auto, and that makes the blower run on purpose. Another reason is that your system may be made to run in short, careful cycles so it does not turn on and off too fast, which helps protect parts from wearing out. Dirty filters can also make the system work longer because air has a harder time moving through the house. Low refrigerant, a weak thermostat battery, or a sensor that reads the room wrong can trick the system into thinking it still needs to run. A little-known detail is that some thermostats have a built-in delay, so they wait before shutting things down to avoid rapid cycling. If you notice the air never really stops, checking the fan setting, filter, and thermostat location is a smart first step. One common mistake is thinking the system should stop instantly every single time, when some systems are designed to run a bit longer for comfort and safety. A simple fix is to look at the fan setting and switch it to auto if you want it to stop with the cooling or heating cycle. Another thing to watch for is a thermostat placed near a lamp, window, or vent, because it can get a false reading and keep the system running. A good tip is to make sure nothing nearby is giving off extra heat or cold. People also miss the filter problem, and a clogged filter can make the system seem stuck on when it is really struggling to push air. Changing the filter on schedule is one of the easiest ways to help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.